SnagIt now works as a screen capture. It just used to be for images. So I'm going to show you really quickly how it works. And you see this little area over here that allows me to capture either a picture or a video. So I'm going to click on video. I can go to my capture preferences. So when I go to capture and I go to preferences, I'm going to click over here on keyboard, and this tells me what my shortcuts are for recording and for stopping and starting and pausing. My video capture start and stop recording is this key sequence right here, and this is actually Shift, Control, and V. So that is the shortcut I can use to start and stop my screen captures. I've changed this, so yours probably isn't going to look this way. I wanted a different shortcut, one that made a little more sense to me, so I made my shortcut Shift, Control, and P. And if you want to set your shortcut differently, click on it like I just did, and all I did was press down the Shift, Control, and P buttons, and that is going to set my shortcut the way I want it set. If you want to keep it the way they were originally set, that is obviously your prerogative to do so. Whatever shortcut works for you, and customize the software in whatever way you want. Now all there is to it, to creating a screenshot, is to literally click the red button to capture it, and this is where it might get tricky because I'm now doing a screencast using Camtasia and also doing a screencast using SnagIt at the same time, so I guess we'll see if it works. I'm going to click on the red button, and what it asks me to do is figure out how much of the screen I want. I'm just going to go to the upper left-hand corner because I want my entire screen. It says it's ready to record, and my audio is on, and you can kind of see my audio growing from the bottom right here. I'm going to click on record. It's going to count me down, 3, 2, 1, and I am now recording my screen. So if you want to create any kind of how-to for your students, you are able to do that. You can click on your menu bars, you can click anywhere you want to, you can interact with the screen in whatever way you want. If you want to pause, again, I set mine to Shift Control P, and I would press that to pause and unpause, and then when I'm done, I press a Shift Control V, which I just did. So now it is finishing my recording. This is the recording I just made, and I can press play to see if it worked. So it looks like I actually can create a screencast of how to create a screencast, so kind of interesting. But anyway, that's how it works. The difference between SnagIt and Camtasia, in SnagIt you are not able to do any editing within the program. Could I edit this video? Yes. I could actually pull it into iMovie, which is built into your computers, and I could edit it that way. But again, those of you who are diehard Camtasia users, contact Chris Young, and she will make sure that you get the Camtasia access that you want. Now the nice thing about this, my file's done. It's ready to go. All I do is save file, save as, and this was my sample video. I choose where I want to save it. I'll just save it to my desktop. And then this video, I'm going to quit out of SnagIt, can now be loaded onto your website. It could be loaded up to YouTube or whatever you want to have happen with it. So that is how SnagIt works. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me, and the download URL as well as the key license code will be sent your way and will also be available on the tech portal. Have a great summer!